Ladies and gentlemen, Jason Andrews, aka the All-American Driver. Today we are driving all the way down to Orlando because the driver mod is revealing the new paint on his GT350. A couple months ago, Anthony was racing at Cletus McFarland's Spectator Drags and had a bit of an incident. Anthony wouldn't be a good event host if his car didn't have a little bit of damage on it. I think this was a wheel-to-wheel incident. But word on the street is this car is maybe getting paint soon. Well, that ultimately led him to repainting his entire car. Now, I'll be real with you guys. I don't know what color it is. Now, he keeps referring to this as a GT350RS. So I have to believe that this is a Porsche color. If I had to guess, I would guess some type of green. I want to say it also might be pink. I don't know why I think that, but it might also be pink. Or it could be something else. I could be completely wrong, but I know how special day this is, and he's been waiting a long time for this, so he's having a bit of a reveal party that I've decided to go to. It's a pretty good excuse to put some miles on the Alfa Romeo 4C also. So I've only got 2,700 miles, so I've got some work to do. This is not a collector's car. I have to keep reminding myself of that because it'd be easy to flip it for more money right now because it is such a low mile car, but I don't want to be afraid to drive it. One of the things I need to figure out in here, if I'm going to be driving it more, is where do I put my cell phone? I got the maps up because I don't actually know where I'm going, but there's really nowhere to put it. Maybe if I prop it up, like that. Yeah, that might work actually. Nope, that didn't work. So you guys might actually realize we're on the GoPro right now. That is because no matter how hard I try, I just cannot get my real camera to fit in here anywhere. There is not a lot of space in this car. In fact, if you can see on the passenger side floorboard, that's where I have my wallet. Like, watch this. It's just right here. Wallet. Boom. Like, there's no other where to put stuff. Like, this car is very small. So we have got about 90 miles to drive south. So this will be the longest drive I've had in the Alfa Romeo 4C. And I'm actually curious, like, how comfortable it's going to be. You know, is the AC going to be good enough? All that stuff. I mean, so far, so good. It's definitely not like Tesla Model Y performance comfort, but it's not too bad. I'll tell you what, though, the Tesla doesn't make turbo noises. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but the GMS carbon fiber intake really has transformed the driving experience in this car. It is just so theatrical now. Anytime that turbo spools up, it's really cool. Doing some testing to again try to explain how small this car actually is. Now watch this, okay? I'm sitting in my seat 100% normal. 100% normal, right? I'm back, my shoulders are back, I can reach over, I can touch the window, I can touch the door. It is a small space. But you know what's funny is that the proportions of this car from the outside are so good, it's a little bit deceiving because it looks incredible, but it is small. Like, but I guess that's how come it can weigh, you know, just over 2,400 pounds. So I'm not complaining, but there definitely is not that much space in here. Wow, it has been a couple months since I've actually been to a gas station. Let's see how this goes here. Let me show you this little Easter egg that Alfa Romeo put in the 4C. In the gas can, there is actually the Alfa Romeo logo around that. Very cool. They didn't have to do that, but very cool. There he is, the man of the hour. What's up, man? Sorry, I got nothing. Yeah. You excited?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. You want to give the audience a little hint?
It came back, it left as a black Cobra, and now it's coming back as a blank Mamba.
Blank Mamba.
Hi.
It's a party. What's up, everyone?
Hey, what's happening? Hello.
All right, so it's right here underneath the cover. Who knows exactly when we're going to reveal it, but I can't wait.
How do I even start? Thank you, everybody, for coming today. Everyone who knows me knows this car is like, it just means everything to me. It was my father's. Now it's, you know, it's been mine for the last 4 years. This was the first GT350 that I saw in person ever. It was at my dealership in South Orlando. He came down from Ohio, bought it, we broke it in, and then I bought it from him 4 years later. He doesn't agree with some of the things I've done with the car, but Dad?
That is so fun.
I'll just say right now how impressed I am that he didn't wrap the car. I thought for sure, like, you crash it basically, get some damage, you kind of fix it up and then you just wrap it, but actually going with full paint. So this is lizard green. It is a Porsche color, so I was half right. I said it was going to be a Porsche color, either pink or green. Lizard green looks fantastic. A little bit darker, I would say, than Grabber lime green, which is a Ford color, but it looks great. Again, Anthony, congrats, man. You've always been a supporter of the channel, man. I'm super pumped for you. I think the car looks fantastic. Can't wait to see it on track. I will be there at his next event on September 15th for Cars and Canards. We'll be in this car racing this, and it's going to be great to see that car on track. So for now, I'm going to get out of here. All right, so we made it back home. The Alfa Romeo 4C is back in the garage, safe and sound. What a good trip, actually, all the way down there and back. Very fun. Shout out to Anthony, the driver mod. Congratulations on a great spec GT350, basically a one of one for sure. And again, thank you for inviting me down there. It was great seeing you again and meeting everybody down there. Congratulations again. So this has basically been the first time I have left the area since my son was born, so I kind of miss him, so I got to get back to that. Jason Andrews, aka the All-American Driver. I got parts for the Alfa Romeo 4C. That's coming in the next episode. Yeah.